In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Smartsheet Project Manager, a flexible work and project planning tool used by teams around the world, so you can decide if it's a good fit for how you organize work, manage tasks, and track progress. Smartsheet combines the familiarity of a spreadsheet with the structure of a project planning tool. If you've ever felt limited by a simple table or overwhelmed by complex project software, Smartsheet sits in the middle. Everything still looks like a grid at its core, but you get more power to plan, assign, and track work than a basic spreadsheet ever could. This makes it appealing for planners who want lots of control without completely abandoning the familiar spreadsheet format. One of Smartsheet's biggest strengths is its flexible views and layouts. You can work in a spreadsheet-style grid when that makes sense, switch to a Gantt timeline for planning project phases, or use card or calendar views to visualize work in different ways. This flexibility helps teams see work from different angles, whether you're planning a timeline, monitoring deadlines, or checking team workloads. You can also attach files, leave comments on tasks, and create reminders, which makes collaboration feel more natural than juggling separate chat or email apps. Another positive is the way Smartsheet handles task dependencies and workflows. If your project has steps that rely on one another, Smartsheet lets you link tasks so that delays or changes automatically adjust related work. This changes it from being just a static list into something closer to a dynamic project engine. For teams working on structured projects with clear stages like product launches, construction planning, marketing campaigns, or compliance workflows, this helps reduce the risk of missed deadlines or disconnected updates. Smartsheet also supports automation rules. You can create triggers that send alerts, update statuses, or move tasks when certain conditions are met. That's useful when you want to remove repetitive work, for example, sending an alert when a task is overdue or changing a status automatically after approval. Automation makes Smartsheet feel less like a tool you constantly manage and more like an assistant that helps keep work flowing. But Smartsheet isn't perfect, and there are trade-offs you should know about. Its greatest strength, flexibility, can also be a challenge. Because the tool can be shaped in many ways, smaller teams or solo users may find the learning curve a bit steep. Setting up custom layouts, dependencies, formulas, and automation requires time and planning. In contrast, simpler tools like Trello or TickTick let you start with a board or list in seconds. Another limitation is that, while Smartsheet handles planning and tracking well, it doesn't include some built-in communication tools that more specialized team collaboration platforms offer. If your team relies heavily on chat, real-time collaboration, or file versioning, you may still need to pair Smartsheet with a separate communication app. This isn't unusual, many teams do it, but it's worth noting that Smartsheet doesn't replace every tool in your stack. Smartsheet's pricing can also feel high for small businesses or solo users. Its rich feature set is powerful for teams with structured workflows or complex projects, but if your work is simple, a few tasks, or basic to-dos, Smartsheet may feel more tool than you really need. For teams handling multiple projects, large workloads, or iterative planning cycles, the value becomes clearer. Smartsheet works especially well for managers, operations teams, or departments that need clear tracking of multiple moving parts, dependencies, deadlines, and deliverables. It's also a good fit for teams that like the spreadsheet format but want more automation, workflow control, and project visibility than a plain spreadsheet can provide. When your work involves structured planning, repeated processes, and clear handoffs, Smartsheet makes those elements easier to manage inside a single environment. If you just need a simple task list or a light project board, simpler tools may give you the speed and ease you want without the extra setup. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Smartsheet Project Manager or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.